Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this problem. Whenever I do insert into MySQL, I get this number. So I only discovered now that my data type was int, right? So in MySQL, this is the biggest number, you get me, in int. So but if I insert a number like 1 2 3 4, it will be fine, it will insert the exact number. But if I intend to insert like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17, something like that, so you can see that if we compare that number, the one in the text area, with this number, you can see this number in length is higher and also it's big. It's a big number, so MySQL won't take it. It will give you the last highest number it has. That's the issue. You don't have a bug in your PHP or your whatever. So that's what guys, I did discover. So the best options are, you can do what they call you can put you go to your table and change your data type into what they call Bigint. So if you put Bigint, because I was trying to do invoices, right? The person is gonna just generate his own invoice. So what I did, I found this error. It was it's not an error anyway, it's something like I put something else, I get something else. So that was so worrying to me then, until when I went to some scripts and read, and then I made it to be Bigint, and then what happened, then whenever I could save this, then I was getting the results I was intending to get, understand? So but if you don't do that, you're gonna think it's an error, but it's not an error, it's just the data type. You can't get much bigger than that. So to even test better, try to make that number to be a varchar. When you make it a varchar, you're gonna see that it did what? It put the varchar right. But if you put int, it won't give you the best results. I hope guys that helps. But just change the data type, then you're gonna be fine. So I've seen a couple of people also talking about whatever, but I don't know if you get this issue in a different database, but me, I got it in MySQL, and I believe that's what the only issue. So, and I did fix it. Then I say, okay, since this was my headache, let me try to show other people the fix. And I didn't show you the DB because I'm programming online. So when you're programming online, then it's a problem, because for the sense of security, you might compromise your stuff. Yeah, so I even thought in the first place that maybe it's encrypted, but it wasn't, because of, you know, every tech change. I thought MySQL, maybe they updated now, because I couldn't see any error in my code, you get me? So I say, no man, what's going on? So that's it, guys. If you have any question, please, if you didn't come well, please do what, comment in the comment box below, and we'll try our best to come and help you. Also, you might also try to go to Stack Overflow and also Google if you don't get well. But the first approach is to change the data type to varchar. If it doesn't work for you, then you're gonna have to make sure you check your code. If it doesn't work that, then you got to make sure that everything is proper. Yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment on our video. Let me step out a bit, I'm coming. Yeah guys, sorry about that. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you got to do that. That's it. So you saw the number. This is exactly the number. Even when you go to Google and put in this number, you're gonna see it. Maybe let's try to show you something. You see it says MySQL straight. You can see even this guy saying the same thing. Is the largest in value for MySQL. You can see this is the largest number. So what means you have to create a number which is less, or to create what they call a Bigint. If you use Bigint, then you might be fine. Yeah, that's it guys. Thanks, and see you in the next video.